Hey everybody, Miss Teacher here. We're taking a look at question number 9. The diagram shows a rectangular prism with edge lengths of 2.5 inches, 1 inch, and 1.5 inches. It also shows a green cube with edge lengths of 1/2 inch. At most, how many green cubes will fit into the rectangular prism? Alright, so here's what we know. When it says edge lengths of 1/2, then we're supposed to interpret that red line that I just traced, that edge, to be 1/2 inch. And if we look at the model here, we know that that's 1/2 inch. Now, if we were to put 2 of them, then now we're looking at 1 inch, right? So 2 of these would give us a full inch. So that means if we take each of the dimensions, if we take 2.5, we take 1, and we take 1.5, and we multiply all of them times 2, that should give us the dimensions in the green cubes, or the 1/2 inch cubes. Now, that might be a little bit over your head, so let's just look at the image of it. Now, this is an inch so far. Now we have 1.5 inches. Now we have 2 inches. Now we have 2.5 inches. So how many cubes is that? How many green cubes? Well, that's 5 green cubes. And that would be the same as if we did 2.5 times 2. All right, let's look at how stack them up going this way. So there's 1 inch. And now we have 1.5 inches, which is how tall this thing is, right? 1.5 inches. So basically, what did we do? We took 1.5 and we multiplied it by 2, and that gives us how many green cubes? And you can visually see here that we have 3 green cubes. All right, so going this way, all you need to do is take this 1 and multiply it by 2, and that will tell you how many green cubes going that way, which of course would be 2 going this way. So the only thing left you have to do is take these green numbers, which is the dimensions of the green half unit cubes, multiply them together, and that will tell me how many of the green cubes you can fit inside this figure, or this polyhedron, or this rectangular prism. All right, good luck finishing that up.